Hey, welcome to my channel Industry 4.0. Today, in this video, we will learn about tokenomics, use of tokens, sharing and distribution, token supply and the creation principles. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's start. Introduction. Tokenomics is the DeFi detailed study of choice under insufficiency. The aim of tokenomics study is to recognize the potential value of a DeFi project by bearing in mind all features of a token's creation and management with its supply, allocation, and distribution. Tokenomics has an important influence on the value of every cryptocurrency, non-fungible tokens, and DAO and every other type of token-based project as the law of supply and demand is immutable. Description. The world of decentralized finance, DeFi, is driven by two simple types of tokens. Fungible tokens, for example Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, Matic, and other cryptocurrencies. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for example digital collectibles and other unique digital assets. These tokens may be traded by hand. Though, DeFi transactions may be performed by means of smart contracts. All DeFi transactions are recorded on a blockchain such that distributed ledger in every case. Use of tokens. Ownership. A token may characterize the ownership or be used to allow access. In other words, a token can permit us the rights to do something, for example voting in a DAO. Value exchange. Tokens are used inside and outside to exchange the value shaped by a DeFi project. Utility. DeFi projects have frame. Utility tokens are used to pay miners or minters of tokens or for any other inside drive. Ethereum gas fees, that is the price ETH miners charge, is a best example. Benefits distribution. Tokens are important to the equitable distribution of increased value. Essentially, they are the significant mechanism for permitting owners of a token to share in the upside. Sharing and distribution. The tokenomics study starts with the sharing and distribution of tokens. Moreover, they are pre-mined or a fair launch. Investors, developers, and choice individuals and institutions are allowed tokens before the public offering in a pre-mined token launch. There's nothing basically bad about pre-mined projects. It is a very general practice, and several delightful projects have had pre-mined launches. Anyway, we'll want to validate that there aren't a group of whales road sign important percentages of the tokens. There is no initial entrance to tokens and there are no private sharing previous to making the token publicly available in a fair launch. Exact wide distribution to many participants is a good indicator that the project is on sound footing. What is tokenomics? Token supply. Always keep in mind, the law of supply and demand is immutable. We must consider two key numbers when assessing the potential value of a token. Circulating supply. The total number of tokens in reality less those that have been burned, lost or inaccessible tokens. Maximum available. The maximum number of tokens that may ever be created, mined or minted. Each token is sole for a non-fungible token. More or less tokens, for example Bitcoin, have a maximum number for crypto as compared to others, for example Ether, do not. Inflationary and deflationary tokens. A token is deliberated inflationary if there is an unlimited supply. ETH is inflationary due to there is no maximum supply limit. Instead, BTC is reflected a deflationary token due to only 21 million BTC will ever be mined. BTC is the most widespread and highest market cap cryptocurrency. ETH is the second greatest prevalent and second highest market cap cryptocurrency. Evidently, the token model, either inflationary or deflationary, must be deliberated accompanied by other factors. The creation principles. All DeFi projects have wide documentation adopting their creation principles, objectives, and governance. These documents are essential reading before attainment with any DeFi project. How centralized is the DeFi project we're analyzing? That can appear like a strange question, however, reading the documentation will disclose the governance structure, and we can be astonished to learn just how centralized some of the biggest DeFi projects really are. The documentation for a DeFi project will similarly disclose significant information about the creators, their team, consultants, and other data points we will require to consider before investing the time or resources.